Bitcoin, BTC, price to $600,000, Tuur Demeester shares uber bullish forecast. Legendary Bitcoiner, macroeconomist and investor Tuur Demeester, an editor-in-chief of Adamant Research, indicated some details of the upcoming bull market. Here's why it will be different from 2021 rally. $200 to $600,000 by 2026. Bitcoin BTC price targets by Tuur Demeester by the year of 2026. The price of Bitcoin BTC, the largest cryptocurrency, might reach levels between $200,000 and $600,000 per coin. This unbelievable 4-12x rally will be fueled by trillions in cash from various bailouts and stimulus programs. Such an optimistic forecast was shared by the author of the Bitcoin Reformation theory with his 264,000 followers in X, formerly Twitter. Unlike many Bitcoin BTC bulls, he highlights that retail awakening will be of paramount importance to the Bitcoin BTC rally, not institutional involvement. Thus, Demeester added a warning for those retail investors interested in a potential Bitcoin BTC rally above $500,000. Keep in mind one of the most important lessons in Bitcoin: be careful with debt and potential overexposure, because its volatility will easily give you whiplash. In mid-December 2023, as U.Today previously covered, he predicted that Bitcoin BTC would finish the cycle well north of $120,000. 2 BTC price peaks instead of 1? It should be noted that the Bitcoin OG masterfully predicted the end of the 2021 bull rally 2 years before Bitcoin BTC reached $69,000. Strike CEO Jack Mallers totally agreed with the forecast, while other Bitcoiners added that BTC might jump even higher should governments keep cracking down on altcoins. Also, Demeester claimed that the ongoing bull cycle might come in 2 parts, as it did in 2013. This, in turn, might make it longer than the 2017 and 2021 rallies. VC investor and Bitcoin podcaster Anthony Pompliano has voiced a mega bullish Bitcoin prediction. He expects the price of digital gold to continue rising way above the $50,000 level, and the reason is not the upcoming halving event. Bitcoin price has to go higher. Pompliano, known on Twitter as simply a Pomp, took to this platform to make a major Bitcoin price prediction. The angel investor believes that the $50,000 level reached yesterday is not the last stop for the flagship cryptocurrency. Pompliano did not make any specific predictions. However, he stated that the price has to go higher. According to the expert, once Bitcoin goes higher, Bitcoiners will start selling their BTC, and it will all be scooped up by Wall Street funds to satisfy their demand that has been increasing rapidly. $50,000. The price has to go higher to get Bitcoiners to sell their Bitcoin to Wall Street and satisfy the increased demand. February 12, 2024. He did not make any mention of the approaching Bitcoin halving event in the middle of April. After it occurs, the number of Bitcoins produced daily will be cut by half from 900 to 450 BTC. Currently, according to Pomp, Bitcoin ETFs are absorbing 12.5x BTC produced on a daily basis. Bitcoin ETFs break 30-year record. Many experts believe that after the halving takes place, they will start acquiring even more Bitcoin every day. So far, after 1 month of trading, Bitcoin ETFs launched by BlackRock and Fidelity have seen more than $3 billion of inflows, thus breaking a 30-year record of ETFs. On Monday, Pompliano made an appearance on CNBC's Squawk Box show to talk about Bitcoin. He mentioned that the world's leading cryptocurrency has become Wall Street's favorite asset. As if supporting this thesis, digital asset advisor at VanEck and Tether Gabor Gurbax tweeted that other financial institutions are soon also likely to start launching spot-based exchange-traded funds, since Bitcoin ETFs allow holders to use Bitcoin as a collateral and gain access to credit and leverage in the traditional markets. He expects the current volumes of liquidity flowing into ETFs to be nothing compared to what's coming when more institutions begin to understand this. Bitcoin's price continues to inch closer to the $50,000 mark, being pushed higher by a bullish weekly divergence. This upward trajectory was highlighted by top crypto analyst Michael van der Poppy in a recent X post, noting the asset's recent break above the $48,000 level. According to van der Poppy, the Bitcoin price is looking at the resistance, indicated by a massive weekly candle that had helped the price of Bitcoin rise back above $48,000. The analyst wrote that he is curious to see what the price will do around $50,000 in the next 1 to 2 weeks, underscoring the critical resistance level that Bitcoin faces. The excitement around Bitcoin's price movement is further intensified by the upcoming Bitcoin halving event slated for April. Halving occasions have historically preceded bullish surges in the price of Bitcoin. Vander Poppy has set his sights on the $50,000 target for Bitcoin, attributing his prediction to the halving event's impact. Dogecoin Dojust no longer top 10 coin in a sudden turn of events. Dogecoin Dojust has dropped out of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. The meme coin's 10th place was taken by Chainlink Linkust, whose market cap surpassed that of its dog-themed competitor by approximately $71 million at the moment of writing, thus leaving Doge to get used to its new position outside of the top 10 club. Such a shift in positions among the top 10 cryptocurrencies has once again demonstrated the volatile nature of the market. This is not the first time Dogecoin has been pushed out of this elite group. For example, last December, it was forced out by Avalanche Avoxust. Nevertheless, Dogecoin has continually been able to win its position back, underscoring the cyclical nature of its interest among investors and its popularity. Is Satoshi Nakamoto alive? VanEck and Tether's Gabor Gurbax opine in a recent X post. Digital asset strategist at VanEck and Tether Gabor Gurbax shared, "One of the best things Bitcoin creator Satoshi Nakamoto did for the BTC community. In Gurbax's opinion, one such thing is his disappearance as, thanks to Satoshi's retreat from the crypto stage, Bitcoin has no ambiguity, no attack vector, and no centralization." Gurbax thanked the anonymous BTC creator and showed his respect wherever he is now, and if he remains alive. The X post got the attention of Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas, who asked VanEck's exec if he believes that Satoshi is still alive. Gurbax replied both, confusing his followers. However, as he explained, many people believe that the world's largest crypto was created not by an individual, but by a group, similar to a group of mathematicians who named themselves Nicholas Bourbaki in the early 1930s. Thus, Gurbax suggests that some members of the Nakamoto group could be dead, while others remain alive.